Week 2, day 3, bulls and cows. So this is the game. You write down a number, your friend guesses what the number is, and in each guess you give them back a hint. How many digits exactly match in digit position and digit value? Those are called bulls. How many digits match the value but they are in the wrong position? Those are called cows. So you are given a secret and a guess, and you have to return how many bulls and how many cows. Over here, 8 is in the correct position and the correct value. In both of them, 8 is an exact match. The other three numbers, 0, 7 and 1, they don't match in position, but they match in value. So they are cows. So 1 and 3, that's the answer. Here 1 is an exact match, and this next one is a value match, but position doesn't match. So it's a cow. So 1 bull, 1 cow. Bulls in the correct value and correct position, cows in the correct value and wrong position. Now an important thing, we should calculate bulls first and then cows. Why? Over here, when you calculate this one, okay, you're already matching him with this one, correct? So what happens is he should not get counted as a value for the guess string. Basically, when this first one comes, okay, it doesn't match with the 0, okay. Second one matches with the second one. So you don't count both of these when you're counting for cows, if they are already counted in bulls, right? This one will not get counted in cows, he's already counted in bulls. So over here you see the 8. The 8 is a value match, of course it is, but it's a position match, so only 3 get counted in the cows. 0, 7 and 1 get counted, right? 8 does not get counted because it's a match. If it's already matched as a bull, don't count it in cows. So first we'll count the bulls. How will I count the bulls? Let's see. First of all, let me have two arrays for the digits, okay? The digits, okay? Digits, frequency. So I'll call it secret frequency. And here, this is one array. And the second one will be guess frequency. This will store the frequency of each value. If basically digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So each index is acting like a position to store. Each index is the value, and basically it's a map. Yeah, everyone, if you know what a map is, then you know what I'm doing. This will store the 0th index will store the frequency of the digit 0 in the first string. So let's say in this one, what's the frequency of 0? It's 1. What's the frequency of 1? It's 3. What's the frequency of 2? Nothing, 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 nothing. Yeah, you got it now, I hope. Just need to store the frequency of each digit over here. Now, let us count the cows. Right, we have to count the bulls first. Let's count the bulls. For going through all the elements, okay. First of all, if it matches, okay. If it matches, so if secret I equal to guess I, great, this is a bull. That's it. It's a bull. Otherwise, what you want to do is, you want to count him for cows. This frequency, add him to the frequency map. So, secret frequency, we'll add the secret I, right? Secret I minus 0 because I'm converting it from a character into a int, right? So, character 1 minus 0 will return the digit 1. Character 0 minus 0 ASCII values, right? This is a simple way to convert a single digit from character into int. Will return 0. Similarly, I'll count guess frequency, right? Same as above. Guess I minus 0. Great. Now I'll use these frequencies to find out the cows. How to do that? Notice here I have a frequency of 1 as 1, since this one is not getting counted, right? and here I have a frequency of 1 is 2. So how many cows are there? There's only one cow, because only one of these ones, it's either the second or the third one is a cow. Both cannot be cows, right? Since one of these ones is extra. So that's a wrong value. You understand what I'm saying? I have only one here, correct? Forget him, he's a bull. I have only one cow candidate 1 year. I have 2 cow candidates here, second or third. Only one of them can match with him. Both cannot match. Why? Because once he matches with him, who's he going to match with? He has to match with either 2 or 3. So simply I'm taking the minimum from cow candidates in secret and cow candidates in guess. These are cow candidates, secret frequency and guess frequency. So this would just be checking for each digit, right? For each digit, I just want to add cows plus equal to the minimum value from both secret frequency, that is the cow candidates in secret, and guess frequency. So basically how many values are overlapping, that's it guys. How many values are overlapping? Those are cows, right? Their values are overlapping, but they are not the same position. Return, the format is given to us as you should return A to indicate bulls and B to indicate cows, right? So 1A, 3B, like that. So return bulls, right? And then A, and then cows, and then B. Let me know one more thing, if you don't want me to code it live like on the video, and just explain the code after already typing it. Okay, if that's better. So now the overview. If it's correct position and correct value, you don't add him into the candidate for cows. These are going to count how many candidates are there for cows. Then you just count how many overlapping values are there by taking the minimum. For example, I have 1 in the secret, but I have 2 1s in the guess. One of those is the correct answer. Thanks for watching.